My name is Jaroslav Jalovi, and today I would like to introduce you our InJet 388 CRRD Simply Combo. So you can use this machine for high precision cleaning application of PCBs after soldering, for example in medical segment, or once you have small production, you can use this machine as a universal machine for combination of stencil cleaning, Squeegees, misprinted PCBs, and also PCBs after soldering.
The combination of spray-in-air technology and vertical layout achieves the highest efficiency of the cleaning process and zero shadowing effect. Combo has 3 independent loops: cleaning with chemistry, pre-rinsing with DI water, and final rinsing with ultraclean DI water. The last step of each process is drying. One of the optional accessories especially recommended for PCB cleaning is our unique 2PR filtration system. A 2-phase rinsing system uses active carbon and ionex to maximize the lifetime of your cleaning chemistry and minimize the conductivity in the process. Thanks to this feature, you can achieve laboratory cleaning results. Using this technology, the conductivity of the DI water going into the process chamber is under 1 micro-siemens. Another recommended feature is the chemical isolation air knife, which makes the drying process more efficient with a shorter cycle. The cleaning process is electronically monitored and controlled by the PLC. All the process parameters such as time, temperature, and other variables can be quickly adjusted on the touchscreen. Video manuals can be accessed directly from the touchscreen. This feature easily guides you to keep the system properly maintained. The whole system is designed for easy access and regular maintenance, such as exchange of filters and seals that can be done quickly and without using any tools. The cleaning chemistry can be easily refilled from the front of the process chamber. All our cleaning systems are developed and produced in-house at DCT in the Czech Republic, Europe. Thanks to the manual welding and quality of the materials, DCT offers the longest warranty on the market, which is 15 years on all stainless steel parts of the machine.
To learn more about how to clean your PCBs or other cleaning application, click here and continue watching. Thank you.
DCT, specialists in cleaning processes.